stars where the rivers flow, chasing the stars with a fearless stride. My funded futures take me worldwide. My funded futures light the way, breaking through night into brighter days. My funded TV shows the scene, living my life like a vivid dream. The clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
What's up? What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Get your Powerball tickets. That's all I know. You see this gold? Kaboom on the gold, baby. Kaboom, kaboom. I would short this gold here, 0480 up to 980 on the gold. What a hey, what a day. Look at these beautiful patterns here. When you got these beautiful bull flags, the ADXs are rising. MACDs are positive on the 15, 30, and 60. Look at this. Unbelievable. How are you, everybody? Let's go, let's go, let's go. I know it's the got 7 business days till the end of the year. Denny is on vacay. He's in Magic Kingdom. Denny on the block is in Magic Kingdom. That's right. There you go. Denny on the block. That's it. Let's short some gold up here. Let's just see if it gets up here. Anyway, how's everybody doing tonight? Hope everybody's doing well. Denny, can't you see? What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing? God bless you all. Why? I can't believe. Are you kidding me? Look at this gold. Did this gold just hit 1480, right? Hit my number and then get kabooshed. Look at this, 0480. Look at this. You got to get your Powerball. How much is the Powerball, Smokescreen? I got to make a note of this Powerball. Damn. There you go. Hey, Bull Barbie is in the house. Bull Barbie. All right. 1.5 billion? Hey, Connor from Australia. What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Welcome. Merry Christmas to all of you. Happy Hanukkah. God bless you all. It's been some year. I'll tell you that. Some year. Just wanted to say thank you to MyFundedFutures and thank you for all you've done, everybody, what they've done here. So it's just a remarkable journey, and I'm looking forward to 2026. I'll tell you now, I'm looking forward to 2026 for all of you to get payouts, for you guys to get some really good payouts. And tonight's our last night, and then we'll be coming back on next Monday. Normally I host the 10:30 to 11:30 segment, but that's going to be on hold for this week. Today we actually killed it here today, but also 1.6 billion. Good Lord. When's the drawing? Tuesday night, right? I got to play. And then I'm looking to scalp short the gold here, 0480 up to 0980, 1080. Whoa, and there we are. Boom, kaboom on the gold, baby. I'm going to take some shorts here. Let's just see. Kaboom on the gold here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see here what's going on the gold. All right. Trading. Oh, boom. Right up. This gold here. Boom on the gold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, wait on the gold here. Where's this gold going here? Let's see if this gold can drop here. All right. All right. Let's see if we get a push down here on this gold here. Oh, there we go. Where the hell is this gold going? Anybody know where this gold's going here? Good Lord. Wow. Got to get this gold to drop some here. Geez, 11, 12. Look at this gold go. Kaboom on this gold. Wow. Got to get a pullback here on this gold here, hopefully. Get this gold to drop here a little bit here. I'm going to look to cover some gold here below 09 here. Gets down there. A little parabolic here. Boom, 1060. Jesus. All right. Hopefully we get this gold to drop here. I need this gold to drop a little bit here. Oh, yes, sir. How's everybody doing here? How's everybody doing? Here we go on the gold. Come on, baby. Come to daddy here. Come on. Let's drop a little bit more here. Here we go. Come on. Oh, just got down to 09. Look to cover this gold below 09 if you're short. Boom. There you go. There you go. Come on, gold. Cover 07, 06, 06 to 08 and a half here if you're short. Damn. Look at them drop. Kabooshed on the gold. Oh, my God almighty. Damn. What the hell's going on here? Damn. Look at that. I just made about, I think I just made about 600 there on that one. Showing all the way up on the big ones. All right. Hey, everybody. How are you? Take off the hat. The market kaboosh when you have the hat on. Is that right? Is that? No, I can't. I just got a haircut. Anyway, 1.6 billion. What do you walk away with? 800 million? That's not a bad payday, right? That's not a bad payday. Hey, so I want to show you guys something really important, okay? All right. I want to happy holidays, everybody. Okay. Those that went short got ran over. I don't think so. I called a short. I said 0480 up to 0980. Okay, 1080, and you didn't get stopped out. But now I probably look to short it again up here if it gets up to the 12 area. Okay. This gold is still going to drop here, I believe. If you look here, you can see that the 10 bar, you're about 10 points above the 10 bar. Okay. All right. Hey, so, you know, if you want to see something interesting here, okay, you can see the silver today. I want to show you silver. Okay. Silver just kaboomed up here. Look at this beautiful bull flag in silver on the 15 here. You see that? That beautiful pattern on silver here. Okay, just shorted some gold at 1260, 1270. Where's this thing? You got new all-time highs here. I mean, this thing is just like, forget it. Forget it here. Forget it. And again, if you're going to scalp short, you scalp it against if you're scalping based upon using micros here. Okay. All right. Silver, gold. Wow, I just shorted some gold. Boom. That's it. Up another couple hundred here. All right. I think this silver, this gold here. If you want to scalp short the gold here again, you probably go like 14.5 up to 20.5 range. Silver too. Everything kaboomed here. I do think you're going to get a sharp drop here. To the moon. Is London gold for gold, or I think it should stick to Asia? I think both markets are really good here. Okay. I think both markets. Silver, what a beautiful bull flag here. And I'll show you my chart here. Okay. If you guys can see that. if you look here, let's look at the 30-minute time frame on silver, bullish. So when the 30-minute time frame reverses to buy, this is a set strategy, Hawk trade, right? All right. You see this here? Okay, this gold, if you short this gold, just scalp it in and out. So Hawk trades, look at this here, right? You see this? Okay, it's Christmas in December. This gold is going to drop. You see this here, the 30-minute time frame reversing to buy, correlating with the 15, right? Look at the 60-minute time frame, bullish. So when the 30-minute time frame reverses, look at this beautiful, the oversold condition, 6,900. Look at this, silver ran 60 cents. This is a set strategy. This is a set strategy, unbelievable set strategy. Okay, when the 30-minute time frame reverses to buy. Okay, NASDAQ's pushing up here. Okay, there goes the gold. Let me short some of this gold again. I'll short one here. Okay. All right. What's up, Hitman? How you doing, Hitman? So look at this pattern, Hitman. The 30-minute reverses to buy here. It correlates with the 15 and the 60. The strategy is you buy the oversold condition on the 15. This is an absolute Picasso. You long silver? Wow, let's go. Get back. Get back. Hey, get over there. Get. Hey. Get over there. Sit down. Sit down. Hey, Sabir, how are you? Okay. Let's see if we get a decent pullback.
Get down. Calm down. Sit.
I'm on the air. I'm on the air. Be careful. Okay. All right. So let's just see here. Gold's pushing up here. We can scalp it here. Like I said, 14.5 to 20.5 range. And then it look like we should get a decent pullback. We're $16 above the 10 bar. Look at this pattern here, right? Look at this beautiful setup. You can't ask for anything better than that right there, right? Okay. Hey, pro trader, how are you? Look at this. Look at this gold drop. Silver. If this silver gets up to the 70 level, what's the 60-minute look like here? Oh, you got to show. If it's negative. All right, if this silver gets up to 70, I was short 70 to 85 range. But I want to show you guys something really quickly. Look to cover this gold below 14. Look at, all day long, the silver contract. Damn, I was going to say short the NASDAQ here. All right, NASDAQ, the MACDs are negative here. It just dropped 10. Look at the gold drop here. How's everybody do? The Powerballs tonight? The drawing? Tonight? Oh, my God. How about the NASDAQ and S&P? Yeah, you got sell divergences up there. I should have taken the shorts. But all day, hand on the mouse, exactly. So all day, the SLVs were extremely bullish here, okay? So we gapped up here. You can see the 60-minute. Look at the 30-minute, But look at this pattern on silver, okay, on the SLVs here. You can see this. This is the bull flag here at 12 o'clock, which is right here, 11:45, 12. Then look at this another oversold condition on the 15. This is an absolute Picasso, okay? Absolute Picasso, all right? And this is what I want to show you here, okay? That this pattern here, okay? This pattern is a beautiful long pattern right here, okay? A beautiful long pattern. And you can see silver on the SLV, 61.74, ran 70 cents. So what I'm trying to teach you and show you here, okay? What I'm trying to teach you and show you here is that oh, I just shorted some gold at 19. All right. Where the hell is this gold going? Jesus, Lord God Almighty. Oh my God, where's this thing going? All right. So anyway, the silver is getting up to 70 here. Let's see what the silver is doing here. If the silver, would the silver get up to here? I still think this gold is going to drop pretty hard here. If you sold silver here, missed it by a penny. Well, I would cancel the short there on silver. All right, S&P's just got cabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped 15. Oh, Jesus. You see that here comes the gold dropping. But, hey, Chad. Hey, Chad. You along on the absolute kaboom? Absolutely. Buy dip on the trends? Absolutely. But if you look here, you can see that the 5-minute MACD is on confirming here. But also, if you look here on the NASDAQ futures coming into the night, damn it, NASDAQ pushed up here to 30, just dropped 18. You can see the bigger time frames, the 60-minute and the 30-minute time frames here are non-confirming. You see that right here? These non-confirmations here. So you're making new highs for the night session here, and it's non-confirming. This is crazy. So just wanted to show you that there, okay? And let's see here. So let's just see if this happens here. All right. Oh, give me a dollar drop here. Give me a break. Where's this thing going here? All right. See where this thing's going. Gold's moving. Yes, sir. I see it. Let's see if we get this drop here. All right, come on. Boom, boom, boom. Just made 300. There you go. There you go. I'm trading the big ones. I short 3 big ones here. Let me cancel this here. I still think this gold's going to drop here right now. Get a nice little pullback here on the gold. Imagine this gold. Jesus. 4,500. 4,500. Look at dust down 7.5%. All right, here comes the gold. Look to cover this gold anywhere from the 14 to 14.5, 18.5 range. Gold should drop. All right, how's everybody doing today? Denny's in Magic Kingdom, so we're going to do some raffles here today. Again, tonight we're Jeff. Good job. Got the silver short in and out. Good job. Okay, Jeffrey. Let's see what the silver did. Oh, silver got up to, wow, 81. Hold on. Forget it. Oof. Again, this silver, I should not take this down. All right, we're just going to watch it here. How's everybody doing? Nice short on the NASDAQ. There was a nice short. Denny. Can't you see? All right. Cabooses. We need some, hey, hi-ho, silver. Why are we scalping shorts, Jonathan? Because we're just scalping based upon the price from the 10 bar moving average. I mean, the 80X, I'm just looking for a scalp for eventually you want to get pullbacks, Jonathan, right? But also, if you look at silver, which I should have left in there, just dropped 20 cents. These MACDs are non-confirming here. You see the 60-minute, Jonathan, here. The 30-minute MACDs are non-confirming. Okay, and if we look at gold, here on the gold futures, they're confirming and that's confirming, meaning that the prices are making new highs with the gold. So what you got to look.
Steven.
Yes, sir.
So I just want to tell everyone real quick, it don't matter where in the world you are or what you're doing. If I can make money like I just did right now, because I made $1,800 while spending time with my family on a vacation, so can the rest of y'all.
That's what I'm talking about. What were you, long gold or long silver?
I shorted, I long silver, yeah.
Okay, you long silver. Okay,
good job, long silver, and I made $1,800.
There you go. I said I was looking for shorts up here on the silver.
Well, I longed at the bottom, but
you
I'll
were
be back
long
at
before.
9.
You were long before the kaboom.
Yeah, before the kaboom.
Okay. Holding short and gold, I think you're going to be okay. Let's just see. Hey, Jonathan, how are you? Amazing. Sounds cool, but I'm holding gold, losing now. Dan, where are you long? Where are you short? I mean, Made me love that silver. I know, right? This silver is insane. Oh, come on, come on, come on, gold. Go right down to like 12 and a half, 13 and a half range. Denny, how you like Magic Kingdom? They got the fireworks tonight. Denny, they got the fireworks tonight.
Yeah, so that was supposed to be a surprise, Steven.
Ooh.
I was going to surprise everybody by streaming it.
Oh.
So
I
everyone
didn't,
in the world,
I didn't say anything about we're going to do it. I just said they got fireworks tonight.
Yeah. So just so everyone knows, I will be streaming some fireworks for y'all. It is going to be really, really awesome from where we are doing them at. And I think y'all will all love them.
Wow. That'll be, we got to take clips of that one.
Yes, sir. Going to have to take clips from it.
Get back. Please get back.
All right. I'll be back at 9. And I'll actually be showing my face at 9 as well, everybody.
Okay. And how many raffles tonight, Denny?
So I'm upping it from 5 to 10 giveaways tonight, just so everybody knows.
10 and we're doing it at 9:55. And you have to be here.
You have to be here. You have to be here, and we're going to do it at 9:55, everybody.
9:55, and you have to be here. Look at this silver, Denny. Oh, my God. Who shorted the silver? This gold is going to get down to 13 and a half or even 11 and a half, I think. Wow.
All right, Steven. I'll be back up here at 9.
All right. Go enjoy your family, Denny. And Denny and I had a great dinner at the Animal Kingdom and Rainforest. It was so nice, man. Denny, it was really great. Okay. My dog's eating my arm right now. Look at this gold, Danny Dan. Did I tell you, Danny Dan, on the gold? Silver down 30 cents. What are you, crazy? I should have left it short in there. Look at it, gold, Danny Dan. Look at him drop. Look at this, Danny Dan, down 10. I cover shorts. Are you crazy? Are you nuts or something? Look at this, 10. 10 on the gold. 11 on the gold. Oh, my God. What is ticker symbols for silver and gold? Depends on the platform you're using. Where can you read more about the indicators? If anybody wants a 5-day free trial, just text me, 914-500-7484. Silver down 40 cents. Gold down 12. Kabooshed on that. Where's my bear sound? My bull and bear sound don't work anymore. Oh, my God. Where's Danny Dan? Okay. What a short. My God. Mary Smith, go get him, Mary Smith. You see 7,000 and VIX under 10? Good. Short everything. Okay, that's what I say. Short everything. All right. All right. Hey, Jip Smith. How are you, Jip Smith? Get back. Hey. Sorry. Get over there. Sit down. Okay? Don't drive me crazy, please. I took you out. Now stop it. All right? Wow, that was awesome. Trying to push the bull and the bear on the stream deck. Okay, thank you. All right. So what we're looking for now, I think they're gonna get cabooshed here. Look at this gold and silver. Oh my God. I knew it was a short up there. So Jonathan, you understand why I was taking scalp shorts in gold and silver? Okay. There should be 29,500 people on this thing tonight. Really, in all honesty. Who does that? Really? You see that? So I came in here. I made it right here. It was okay. I made about $700 on that. See that right here? This is the ladder system. This is what's called the DOM. This is how you put your orders in. Bids here, buys here, sells here. You want to short, you put it here. You want to buy here. Okay.
Okay.
I can't tell you that, Stephen. It's against the law. Okay. Can't tell you that. Not that I'm trying to be mean to you or anything like that, but I just can't tell you. Everybody's different. Some people like to do 10. Some people like to do 20. Some people like to do 100. So I like to trade the big ones. I don't like trading micros. You know, I just don't like it, period. I mean, that's just me, you know. I just don't like trading the micros. Too many fees, you know. And if you know.
I love macros. So
You what?
I love macros.
You like macros?
Macro, yeah.
You mean you like the big ones?
The big one.
Yeah. You like the big ones. That's the minis then.
Yeah.
That's the big ones. The micros are the small ones. All right. Okay. Oh my God. Look at this silver. The guy who bought silver at 69.81, he jumped. Wow. The guy who bought silver at 69.81, he jumped. Good Lord God Almighty. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this gold. Anybody still short silver? Dom, you're still short. Oh my God, Dominic. Dominic, I would look to cover some here or lower your stops. Okay. He jumped. Respect. Oh my God. Now, you see the silver making new highs, but these MACDs couldn't confirm on the 60-minute time frame. Do you understand that? Oh, 07. Oh my God. Where's Danny Dan? Wow. Gambler just made 12K. Wow. Damn. Unbelievable. Wow.
In a day.
Danny Dan, I hope you got out with a profit just now. He just on this short.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Danny Dan.
12,000.
It was 5 minutes. 12,000.
Oh, grandma.
All right, I'm on the stream. You got to get it back.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm on a stream. You got to go back. Okay. Yeah.
Oops.
Okay. I told you, Danny Dan. Good job, everybody. Good job. Jonathan Logano. Jonathan. Oh, man. I didn't play my Powerball. Now you tell me, smoke screen? Jeez. More down for silver? I don't know. If it hits 91, it'll be down 90 cents on silver. Look at this gold, 03. Come on, man. I don't know. I can't buy it. This silver is going to go like the 76, 85 range, maybe. I don't know. Let me just see something here. 96. Wow. Wow. Denny. Can't you see? Look at this. Clean Sauber. Up 2,000 on the gold. There you go. Wow. Look at this. 12,000, 2,000, 4K, Tommy Tom. Look at this. 12K, 4K, 2K. Unbelievable. Wow. Wow. You're probably right. It should have bought it down here, but this ran 20 cents. Wow, look at that. Unbelievable. Whew. Clean Sauber, if anybody want a free trial to my live stream, you could text me at 914-500-7484. Made $25.55 in 2 hours. $25? That's it? Okay. If a person's got, okay, got it. Gold just popped $6. Shit. Silver ran, damn it. You got out of gold? I was about to say buy the gold down there too. And silver. Silver just ran 24 cents here. All right. You got the gold. Got that gold. Good job. Made 300 juice. That's it. This is it, man. Gold and silver in the Asia session. I love it. Okay. Oh my God. Damn it, Steven, on the gold. Gold, silver ran 30. Gold just ran. Damn it. I don't know the silver on what is it? Can somebody help me here? Gold is GCG6, right? For the big ones. On silver, what is silver? I don't even know the symbols, man. You know, Hitman up 8,000. Unbelievable. You like my hat? See, everybody said don't wear the hat. See, I got the hat. Everybody ever got it's a silver micros. Is that the big one, Jeff? That's the micro silver. SILH. Hello from Queens. You must be freezing your tuchus off. Oh my God. Look at that silver go. I should have bought them. That and gold. Damn it, Steven. Damn it. I had it. Up 10K. Wow. Denny, you seeing this, Denny? 8K, 2K, 4K, 8K, 10K, 12K. Wow. Unbelievable. Get the bag. Change the plans. The fireworks start soon. Look at this. 10K. Wow. Who's up? 3,500 on that gold. Wow. Look at this. I got to take pictures of all this. Nobody's going to believe this. 8K on the gold. 300. Where's the 12K guy? 4K. Wow. That's insane. Where's the 12K? Yeah, 12K. Hell yeah, gambler. Good job. All right. 10K, 12K, 2K. Unbelievable. Up 2,500 on silver. Go get them. Look at this. Beautiful. Picasso. Unbelievable. Fiber spot. Should have bought them down there. All right. I should have shorted them here too. 31. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here now. Again, the NASDAQ and S&Ps cannot compare to gold and silver. Okay? They're talking about the demo, Steven. I don't know what he's talking about. All right, so we're not going to be streaming tomorrow night and or Wednesday and or on obviously Friday. Okay? But we'll be back on Monday. Okay? We'll be back on Monday. That's the most important thing. Okay, what a freaking way to start the day, man. Merry Christmas, Pine Tree Trader. Merry Christmas, brother. Up 1,100, Sean Vince. There you go, my brother.
Steven.
It's the fireworks. Let's go. Let's stream it.
It's the fireworks. Let me get you all set up.
Get in there, Denny, on the block. Right from Disney. I don't think we see anything yet. go. Wow, Magic Kingdom. Oh, it just froze. So that's a sell divergence here on the silver. You can see here, look at the big screen. You're making new highs here, but the
Yes.
MACDs couldn't confirm. You got to sit down because I'm on stream. Okay, so I'm making new highs. The MACDs couldn't confirm here. See, with the non-confirmation.
Let's see. As soon as over, then
Yeah, it's 10 o'clock though. 10 o'clock, yeah. No, not. There's no fundamentals. Technical trade. Well, yeah. All right. There's Disney. We got to take clips of this. What happened? You seen the fireworks? Are you seeing the fireworks? Are you seeing the fireworks? What happened? Each of these represents a blown account on that. I have no idea what he's talking about. Right there goes the gold right back up. Gold's up 40 cents. I mean, I'm saying silver's up 40, gold's up about 13 cents, $13. All right, let's see if we get this pushed up here. If this gold gets up to gold, wow, look at that, Denny. Boom, kaboom. My boy, who's your daddy?
Hey, Steven, I'm going to see if I can get us to a better location.
Okay. Where am I heading? Ooh. I love you too. I love my heady boy. I love you too. I love you. Oh. Okay. Yeah, father. I love you too. I love you too. I love you. Okay. My Hendrix is licking my whole face. All right, this silver here. If this silver pushes up again here to 40, I'm going to take a scalp short. Okay, they got the 15s rolling, 60s rolling over. What are the 15s doing here? Let's see. Oh, just dropped 17 here. All right. Oh, S&Ps and NASDAQ kaboosh. S&P's down 4 or 5. NASDAQ down almost 30. Those 60-minute non-confirmations there, brutal. Get. Oh my God! Look at the S&Ps and NASDAQ kabooshed. Man. Oh, wow. Not a bad way. I missed that long. Damn it. Should have caught the long. So pissed at myself. S&P's kabooshed here. NASDAQ kabooshed here. All right, let's just see here. Denny, we seeing fireworks? What happened to Denny? I was into the fireworks. start wearing some glasses, I think, maybe. These blue glasses. I don't have to wear these things. Wear these blue glasses here. These things are dirty. Man, S&P is right back up. Wow. Come on, gold. Let's go. The man cook with the kid, those, right. Hey, Corp Trades, how are you? What am I buying? Hendrix, Betty? Forget it. This dog's spoiled. You have no idea. All right, S&Ps ran 2. NASDAQ just ran about 15, 18. Gotta wear these glasses for my eyes here. All right. 193.79. Kaboom, S&Ps. Man. I don't know where that came from. NASDAQ, gold. Let's see if this silver can work off this oversold condition on the 5. Maybe look for one more short up here on silver. How's everybody doing today? Should have bought that gold. Again, if this gold gets up to the silver gets up to the 40 to maybe 55 range, I would take a short. Yep. See if this gold here. Wow, look at that, 3,000K. Look at that, 3,000. That's God bless you. Look at that, Lewis Laws, CSUN Laws. Good job, unbelievable. Gotta take a picture of that. That's a combination. That's a kaboomination. There you go. What about gold? I'm looking to short it. If it pushes up here. So let me just teach you when the 5-minute time frame, reverses to buy right here, and the algo reverses to buy, you take the short. So I'd short this gold here. If it gets up, what was the high here? 22. Oh my God, drops 20. If this gold gets up to like the 1930 up to the 25.30, I would look to short it on the gold. I don't think you're going to get it though. And let's look at the silver. If the silver hit 40, I look to short it. Silver just dropped 12. Anybody short the silver at 40? It just got kabooshed. All right. Hey, Sean, that's a great job, Sean. Get ready for short gold again? I think so. Yeah. Again, that's the algorithm reversing the buy. It just dropped 4. Damn it. Okay. Denny, can't you see? Sometimes words just hypnotize me. Denny and I had a great time meeting each other. We had met his children. It was really nice, I have to say. We went to the rainforest. Imagine wow, look at this S&Ps. Kaboom. How's everybody doing tonight? NASDAQ going to dump back up? Could. They're going to do everything they can to they're going to do everything they can to just keep this market up the next 7 business days. And then I think they kaboosh them big time come the sometime in January. They kaboosh them. Why? I mean, you already locked in gains. You just sell everything. Boom. 7,000. I don't know. Not good. I'm at my worst enemy. Taking time off the chart. Taking time off the chart. I heard the rumors. OpenAI. 100 billion investment. I have no idea. Okay. Okay, just need to look at these S&Ps rally almost 3.5. Silver can't get going now. Gold can't get going. All right, I'm probably going to cancel the silver short. And gold, I would cancel that short. S&Ps just ran 4. Let's see if these S&Ps can get another push up there. Silver just dropped about 3. I don't know. Denny, I don't know. Denny was doing live from Disney Fountain, the Grand Floridian with the fireworks. I taught Denny how to get into Magic Kingdom a sneaky way. Now you pay and everything, but a really good way where you don't have to take the shuttle buses, which will take you 5 hours to get to. How's anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Anybody new? I think the storm is about to hit. I think the storm is about to hit. I think the market's going to get absolutely cabooshed in sometime in the first couple of weeks in January. Okay, that's what I think. But hold on, Ellie. Silver, if this silver gets up to the 48 to 63, 64 range, I would take a scalp short, use micros only. Dean of Displacement, how are you? NASDAQ going to pump or drop? I think NASDAQ is going to. I think NASDAQ is going to, let's see here. What are they going to do here? All right. See if we get another push up here. All right. Just going to see if, wow, S&Ps push up above 33.5. I would short them. 33.5 up to the 37.5, 38.5. I think these gaps below are going to get filled. Okay. I think this market is, I wouldn't want to be, let them have them. That's what I say. Let them have them. You know, let them have them. You know, that's what I think. I can't believe Powerball. Oh my God. Please tell me. No, please don't anybody hit. I didn't know. I thought it was Tuesday night was a drawing. I thought Tuesday night was a drawing. All right, let's just see if this. So silver just ran 50 cents. Cabooshed and then kaboomed. Gold rallied off that pattern as well. So let me just show you something with the gold, right? If you look at the gold, you can see when the pullback happened here, the ADXs were rising on the 15. So I should have went in there. I was just hemming and hawing for 1 second. And then once this bar planted, I knew that was it. Forget it. That was it. All right. If you're short this silver here, let's look to cover. Let's just watch. I'd like to see a cover below 46, anywhere between the 40 and 46 on the silver. Maybe even a little bit lower, 38 to 46 range. Let's just see. S&P's just rallied 4. NASDAQ just rallied roughly about 18, 19. Anybody new here? Anybody like a 5-day free trial? Okay. Gold pumping up. Anybody like a 5-day free trial? No way. Bob Barker, you serious? Damn, Bob Barker. Go get him. Oh, a joke. 5 correct numbers here in Virginia. A joke. Okay. Let's see if this silver and gold can get one more push. I still think this gold gets up to the 21, 22. It's a short. Again, on the silver, if it drops below the, look to cover between 40 and 46.5 range on silver. Let's see if the silver can drop here. What a cabooshin. Wow. Activation fees? I don't know. Everybody welcome Cody Ship. How are you, Cody Ship? What's going on, Cody Ship? S&P's just dropped. NASDAQ just dropped. All right, I'd cancel the ranges on those. Damn it. So tired. Long day. Monday. So just for the clarify, we're not going to have a stream tomorrow night or Wednesday, and I'm not going to be on tomorrow and Wednesday for the day session. So we'll be resuming back to a full schedule on Monday when we get back. Okay. And I want everybody to have a beautiful Christmas, a wonderful Christmas. Enjoy your families. Enjoy every second. Take pictures. Remember, it's the bigger picture in life, right? Being around ones you love and enjoying everybody. And that's what the name of the game is, right? Right? Cody Ship, if you're new and you want a 5-day free trial, just text me. Okay? Will gold keep going up? I don't think it's going to keep going up. I think it's going to get kabooshed. I think eventually you're going to get some type of a drop. Now, we are going to do a raffle. Denny is going to up it to 10 free giveaways tonight. But you have to be here and you have to register, period. Okay? Look at a silver drop. Lower your stops. Gold, I cancel the short. Every time I wear this hat, they kaboosh them. Right? Every time I wear this hat, they kaboosh them. Okay, let's go. Smash the like buttons. Let's go. Oh, anybody short this silver? Just drop 15 cents. Oh, this silver is going to get kabooshed. See, that's a sell divergence in a positive trend. You see that, Jeff? Jeff's all over it. $1,300 trading. Look at that. Beautiful. God bless you. There you go. Merry Christmas, Clean Sauber. Merry Christmas. All right. Denny, can't you see? What happened to the fireworks? Hey, Joe Lombardo. Thank you, Jeffrey. God bless. Okay. Now, you see the algorithm reverses the buy, Jeff, with the MACDs above the pivot. You take the short, then you wait for a pullback. Okay. All right. I want to see this gold push up here. Hitman, be careful, Hitman. The algo reversed to buy here, Hitman. Okay, that's a double blue buy. You're going to get a pullback, and then it should go like that, right back up, okay? I totally agree with David. Okay? Take note, Marvel. Okay. Look at it, Jeff. Great job, Jeffrey. Come on, Connor. Get in there, Connor. You bought him back? Damn, Hitman. 13 cents on Silva. Silva. S-I-L-V-A. Silva. Yes, I think so too, but tell the markets that. Tell the markets that. Okay. All right. Nice little scalp on the, that's why I said, okay, I'm not expecting silver to get kabooshed like that. I expect the 5-minute time frames to do something like this and then go right back up again. But not to say it can't get down here again. Okay. All right. Hey, Alexev, how are you? I totally agree, but we'll see. No, I didn't say it, Lenny. I said we're not streaming tomorrow night and or Wednesday night because my funded futures doesn't want to, and then I'm not doing the 8 to 10:30 to 11:30 show with my funded futures. They're calling it quits for the week, but I'll be back on Monday for the 10:30 to 11:30 my funded futures, and for the 8 o'clock to 10 p.m. Asia session. Okay, all right. Wow, what a day. What a day. Markets are closed at 1:15. No, they're not letting you down. My funded futures is doing 10 raffles tonight. Are you crazy? All right. Imagine winning $750 million, $800 million after taxes. I would just put seriously $100 million, $50 million in the trading account, and I would lock the door, hire 2 assistants. One would trade stocks with me, and the other one would trade futures all day long. That's all I would do. I wouldn't do a damn other thing. Okay? I think they're 50K core accounts. Okay? 50K. Can you imagine? I put 50 to 100 million right in the account. Boom! I saw a good pattern, so 500. There goes the gold. Here. Boom. Probably going to get a move at 9 o'clock. If this gold gets up to the 2380, 2480 up to 2980, I would look to short them. Right? You would have a nice chalet. I have a nice house right on the ocean here. I'm from New York. I live in Jupiter Beach, Florida. Well, Fiber Spice, come down and trade with me. Let's go. Fiber Spice. Let's see if this gold and silver get one more push up here. All right. Hey, Dwight. Okay, good job. 07. All right. I think this silver is a short here again. If this silver gets up to the 54 to 69 range, I would gotta go 15 cents wide on silver. Oh my God. No comment, dude. No comment. Let's see here. All right, come on, gold. Let's see if this gold gets up to the 2380, 2480 range. I like the cap, right? And everybody, Bull Barbie, Bull Barbie, one of the best. Look at this. This now they're gonna drop here. Damn it, just dropped 12 cents. Please don't talking about love tonight. Come on, silver. Give me one more push up. What's the high in silver? Was it 70? I think silver hit 70. 69.81. Is there an inverse on silver short? Oh my God, Stuart, you got. Oh yeah, Cody Ship. Hey, Steven, you got it, Steven. Hat looks good. I love it. It's X, the X hat. Anybody know the inverse on silver? Anybody? Look at this weekly. Forget it. Parabolic. Oof. Anybody know the inverse on silver? I know it's the SOV, but gold, I would cancel the short. Oh, it's going to drop this gold. Well, they got the SLV, the ultra short. Is there an ultra short on silver? I got to look that up. HR, look at that. HR is up 800. Good job, HR. Wow, 800. We're going to do a raffle tonight of 10. Gold just dropped, silver just dropped 14. ZSL? Really? ZSL? Oh my God. Oh, what? This thing's. Thank you. Approach a short silver. Oof. ZSL. What does gold just get up to? 23. No, that was before. 5 minute. 23. You got to be kidding me. Gold just dropped $3.50 here. Thank you for that. All right. Let's see here. Gold just dropped 4. I knew that. So basically what you want to do is you want to take the short on the overbought condition here. You want to take the short on the overbought condition. Damn it. Gold just dropped 4. Damn it. So I know this strategy. When the algorithm reverses the buy, you take the short, and then you take another short and look for the pullback here. All right, I cancel the short there. Silver, damn it. Fuck. Silver just dropped here on the silver. Just dropped about 16 cents. Yeah, NASDAQ, the index, you maybe get 1 or 2 moves a night on the index futures, not much. Really quiet now. 4503 was a VWAP. Pretty interesting. Okay, let's see if this market's going to drop here. Know if we're going to get this drop or not. All right, gold just dropped 5 on that. The mouse is stuck. I agree. Silver, 14 to 4. Oh, 4. Oh, really? I like this guy, Rivers, man. Look at that, Richard. Go get him, Richard. Up 800. Go get him, Richard. Great job. Richard's up 800. Just sending Aaron some. Look at this silver drop, 20 cents. Look at this gold. Did I tell you? I know that strategy. When the algorithm reverses the buy, on the 5-minute, you take the short. And on the MACDs, when they made new highs, I should have went 22.80. Damn it. I was at 23.80. I missed the long and I missed the short just now. But I think we caught the short here in silver pretty good here. What do you mean? No, it's not a bull flag, David. You want to see a bull flag? You want to see a bull flag? This is a bull flag, David. Come on. Look, David. This is a bull flag right here. Right here. Oversold, rising ADX on the 15, 30, and 60. That's a Picasso. Gold just dropped 9. So when the algo reverses, this is the long I missed, and this is the short I tried to get. We got this one, but missed this one. I should have went to 22.80. All right, let's just watch it. What's this silver doing? Silver dropped from what, 54 just now? The silver just dropped from 54. All right, it should be bought here, 24. Oof. Hot diggity dog. David, what are you doing? That's a sell divergence. That's a sell divergence here. Okay. Hey, Eminem, EMM, how are you? Damn it, it's over. Right back up. Let's see if we I don't know if gold's going to get up there or not, though. Geez, the silver just ran 18. I'm missing things today here. I missed this long, got this, missed this long here on the double blue. All right, if the gold gets down to the 08.5, 13.5 range, I would look to buy it on the double blue here. Oh my God, my dog. Oh, look at the silver. 24 up 20. Look at that. I missed the long. Damn it. Do you hear my dog? This dog's crazy. What a moose. We're going over indicator 3 on that. I already know the condition, right? Now we're just waiting for indicator 3. You hear that dog drink water? He drinks a gallon an hour, right? Right, Daddy loves you. I love you. Your father loves you. He's so good, my boy. I can't believe someone would bring him to a kill shelter and say, kill this dog. Can you believe that? Who does things like that? Really? I mean, who does that? That's completely insane. Right? That's completely insane. I mean, who does that? Insane in the membrane. You bring a dog over? Damn, that's crazy. Anyway, with that being said, if anybody new wants to text me or get a 5-day free trial to my live stream, I know. Please text me at 914-500-7484. And stop looking at candles, for Christ's sake. Damn. Before you all drive me crazy. No candles. Ugh. So that's called a double blue buy. You see that right here? Same thing. When the algorithm grows positive with the MACDs above the pivot, normally you would take the short, then you wait for the pullback for the long, or you could just wait for the pullback for the long. So as you can see, silver and gold have the almost identical same pattern. The 5-minute time frame reverses the buy. You wait for the overbought condition. You take the short. You take the short here, right here. You scale into the short. All right, gold, I would cancel the buy range. This gold is going to explode with the 5-minute time frame is going to turn up. Gold just ran 6. Missed out long, missed out short, missed out long. That's some night I'm having here. What do you mean I'm done? I got cooked. Well, why aren't you listening to me during the day? Why aren't you listening? I'm going to give you a 5-day free trial. Why wouldn't you? What are you doing? 914-500-7484. You get the live stream in the member chat. S&Ps, again, 33.5, 34 up to 39. I would short them. Like, who would hurt a dog like that? Here we go. Gold looking like one's go to 45. It just did. Oh. Cody 914-500-7484. Put some S&Ps out here. 34. Get some more. See how I do this? See, I'm scaling in. See what I do? 1, 2, 3. You see what I do? Okay. All right. No, I don't have trading screens at home. That's a great question, though, actually, to be honest with you. And again, anybody who wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me 914-500-7484. Okay? All right. No, I don't trade off an iPad. I trade off a ladder system. I got it right here. I got X amount of dollars in my equity account. Exactly. See that? I like that methodology right there. A bid for one. You see that? And if it drops here, I make 50. It drops here, I make 100. Right? There goes the gold right back up. What's silver doing? Silver. Look at this gold rally. 5 just now. Silver and gold. Silver and oh my God, silver 24 up to 55. All right. See that double blue? You could take the short, but then you have to look to go long. See that? Why do stalkers that are watching my phone out let me trade close? I don't know. I don't know anything about it. I don't have a free funded account. I have a 5-day free trial to my live stream. Period. Periodo. Anybody new here to the stream? Anybody new here for the first time? All right, this silver is going to drop. If the silver gets up to the 57 to like 72, 73, I would look to short it. Wow. S&P's aren't even moving. All right. Silver keeps creeping up. Hello, sir. Good evening. How are the man show? How are you? The sand, what's it called? The Stand a Man show. How are you? Hey, Suffolk, watching from Brazil. How are you, brother? NASDAQ going higher? I probably would, yeah, probably going higher a bit here. Just S&P. That's why I hate trading the indexes here. A good bear flag? Where do you see a good bear flag? On what? Uh-oh. 15-minute candle incoming. Oh, my God. All right. So let's see if we get a little bit of a pullback here on the 5 and 15s. Again, you're making new highs here on the Asia session, but these MACDs are not confirming on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame. So we shall see. All right, let's see what this silver here at 58. If you sold any silver See if this thing can drop on the silver here. XRB futures. No, I don't think we look at those. Boom. This NASDAQ, let's see if this NASDAQ can get a pullback here. NASDAQ, I would probably take a short 25,735 to like maybe 55.60 range. Silver wants a 70. I think it may be tonight, but I don't think now. What else? What else here? All right. See if the silver can get one more push down. So you see the double blue here, 24 to 59 on the silver. That's a beautiful pattern. And then, of course, gold gets down to 14.10, rallies about 7. There goes the S&Ps. You hear my Hendrix? He's going completely crazy over here. Thirsty boy, you ain't kidding. All right, silver, if you're short, look to cover anywhere between the 48 and 55 range. See if this S&Ps can drop here a little bit. Cancel this here. Silver, really nothing going on. Just made falling on NASDAQ. On the short or the long? The long? Okay, good job. New weekly highs coming. Well, we'll see. We shall see. Okay. All right, if this gold turns up here, see how that gold turned up on the double blue here? All right, I want to see if this gold, next push up on the gold, on the overbought condition, I think in 2380 to 2880, 29. Good job, Christopher. Great job. The guy behind me is trying to learn, okay? Most important. NASDAQ, if you're short, look to cover NASDAQ anywhere between the 21 and 31 range. Of course, now gold's dropping. Damn it. Can't get going. If you're short the silver, look to cover the silver here again between the 48 and 56 range on silver. So these are all divergence strategies. Okay. Look at the gold drop. Damn it. Damn it, the gold. Damn it, Stephen. S&P is getting kabooshed here. Well, that gold was it right here. 22. It just dropped 4. Let's see if the silver can drop here. Just made 780, just going in and out, not holding. I love scalping. Scalping's the best. Bro said to look for longs. What did I say look for longs? And what? What did I say look for? I'm looking for longs. Where? I said I was looking for longs here on the pullback on the double blue pattern, right? Right? And then I said, if you're looking at gold here, look for the pullback on the gold right here. Come on, type. Yeah, I said, look, I'm looking for gold longs here. After the 5 reverses to buy, you take the short, another short, then you wait for the 5-minute oscillator to get oversold. I don't know. We'll see what happens here, if they drop or not. Okay? So gold just dropped 4. Okay, I would cancel that range at 23. The blue lines, these blue lines, it's a mathematical formula I use. Okay? It's 900 on the session, Moon Boy. You can't get better than that. Moon Boy just texted me. I'll call you back soon. The blue lines here represent the algorithm, right? My indicator 4, which gives me the ability to determine the drop in the marketplace, right? Gives me the ability to call market direction. So I have 3 time frames, a 15, a 30, and a 60. I take my algorithm on my indicator 4 to give me that ability to recognize the condition. I use 5 conditions: a trend, all 3 are bullish, a buy reversal, a sell reversal, a correlation, and a disconnect. Then I have each of the 5 conditions has a buy and a sell divergence. So you have technically 3 time frames, 5 conditions, and 10 strategies, period. Nobody knows what the blank is going on. I don't know what you mean by that. Hey, Mr. Freeze. Katie Matcha, I don't understand what you mean, but nobody knows what's going on. See, I'm buying. Are you watching this? You see I'm short? Hello? Sabir.
Yes.
Come on, I'm talking to you.
I'll talk.
See how I have my bids?
Mm-hmm.
See?
Yeah.
Oh, my back. Bottom, flat. I just made about $190. Okay? Boom. S&P is dropping. NASDAQ, again, look to cover 21 to let's say 25 to 35. S&Ps looks to cover below 34.5 if you're short. Okay. Indicator 4 is my own algorithm. Okay. Oh my God, look at them drop. No, I said double blue buy, meaning I'm looking, the 5 reverses the buy, then I look for the pullback to get long, period. Wow, I was short the S&P's average price 35.5, I believe. I just covered. What's up, Dr. Zay? How are you? Again, if you're new here, you're not going to understand what oh my God, look at the NASDAQ. You're not going to understand this over like that. Okay, you don't go to college and think you're going to get your diploma in 2 days. It ain't happening. It ain't happening. Period. Oh my God, S&P's just got kabooshed. I'm not rude. How am I rude? I'm the nicest guy in the world. How in God's creation you think I'm rude? I've been doing this for 43 years. You know what's rude? I'll tell you what's rude. You want to know what's rude? When I'm out here trying to teach you, help change your lives, and people, all they care about is raffles. That's rude. Okay? That's rude. The people I work with in my life, you guys can never imagine. Okay? It's not being rude at all. I'm trying to explain. You're saying I called the long at 14. I'm saying yes on gold. I said first I went 13.5, and then it got here. It got down to 14. You know, I'll tell you exactly. I come on the show every day from 10:30 to 11:30. I give the best trades. Okay, I give my heart so all of you can try to pass and change your lives. And at least you got to see. I didn't win a raffle. Same people win all the time. This is nonsense. The game's fixed. Okay. Really? That's being rude. That's being rude. I taught some of the best guys in the world. Okay? In the world. Okay? So I'm just telling you right now, that's rude. By me being direct and me telling you that I don't have time to teach the algorithm right now because I'm teaching here and now, and I'm giving you a 5-day free trial to my live stream. But the bottom line is, did you short the NASDAQ on the highs? Did you short the S&Ps on the highs just now, which is very hard to do in the night session? Okay. I'm not a financial advisor. And again, I try to tell you all, if you learn from me, learn my methodology, and be able, where can you go overnight and change your life? You can't be a doctor, a judge, a surgeon, an athlete, a lawyer, whatever, overnight and make this much money. I got people who got payouts on Friday, $203,000 and $47,000 with me. Okay. That's, to me, is the people that are serious about wanting to change their lives, not worrying about getting a raffle. Okay? If you get a raffle, great. It's part of the game. Big deal. Okay? Do I take my children when they were young to a carnival so I could win a stupid stuffed animal, or do I go there and have the memories of just being with them and having fun and laughing and loving them? That's what it's about. Silver kaboom. Again? This trade station, I want to get a sledgehammer and smash it. Oh, there it goes. Silver's going to make new highs here. Watch. Oh. Vadimas, how are you? Thank you. Any tips on studying Series 7 tests? That test is a joke. Okay? That test is a joke. I'm sorry. Thank God I'm at the stage of my life where I don't take any of those tests anymore. You know, I was actually, what's up, Zachary? I was actually called by FINRA and told that I am completely exempt from any of the grandfathering of the exams. What's this thing get up to? All right, if this silver gets up to the 84 to 98 range, I would look to short it. Thank you, Bob Barker. There is a process. You have to the process equals progress. Okay, that's how I look at it. I got a haircut. Yeah, took about 2.5 inches off my head. All right, here goes the gold making new highs. Here we go. Let me short this gold here now. All right, I just short this gold here, 25.5 up to 31.5 range. Let's see here. Well, I was just up. Boom, just made $70. Look at this. I'm up over 800 tonight, doing nothing. Just not even blinking an eye. Look at this. You see that, Sabir?
Yeah.
You see that? Cover this short in gold below 24.5. 100 lots, 25,730. You're gonna get another push up on the gold on the S&Ps. Let's see if this gold. Short this gold anywhere between the 25.5 and 31, or 26 up to 31, 32, or 25.5 to 31.5 range. Okay. WBB, come on, get in there. Boom. Cover the gold below 25. I'm scalping the gold 1 to 2 points here. Well, you got to keep taking it if you fail it, Lenny, right? If you fail it, you get to take it again. And then you're allowed to take it 3 times, if I'm not mistaken, 3 times in 6 months, if I'm not mistaken. Look at the gold drop. Silver, I said 84. What did it get up to? 79. All right, I would cancel the silver short. Gold, let's see if this gold can get cabooshed. Denny, can't you see? All right. I don't think the silver is done yet. I think we're gonna get one more push up here. I think we're gonna get one more push up. All right, we got the raffle coming up here in about 18 minutes. Now, do you have a simulator yet? Do you have that?
No.
Okay, not yet. He didn't give it to you.
No, he said everything is fixed. Still, like, not getting it.
We can write him an email and tell him it's not fixed, right? Should write him an email.
I tried to call him 2-3 times.
Danny Dan up 600. Good job, Danny Dan. Where the hell is this gold and silver going? Jeez, I'm up about $900 tonight, like doing nothing. Nothing. It means I've seen buckets. Nothing. All right, silver just got up to 79, just dropped 10. I think, yeah. Well, why aren't you trading the silver or gold? No. These are bots. Please. These are bots. These are bots. I think silver is going to... What's silver going to do? Boom. Look at this gold. Oh, my God. Short this gold here. Oh, this gold's crazy. Boom. Man, this gold's crazy. I just shorted gold, just dropped $1.30 like nothing, $1.50. Anybody short the S&Ps and NASDAQ up there, I'd be flat. I think this gold's telling you something in the world. Right? 2,500 people. Hit those like buttons. If anybody wants to sign up for my 5-day free trial, please text me 914-500-7484. Nobody shorted that. 45.32. The foot got out of the way. Hey, Zil. Gold is on steroids. Look at this. Here we got botted here again. It's climbing. We just got botted. Okay. Nobody should be losing accounts. I'm just telling you right now. Just my opinion. All right. See if this gold can get one more push up here. We just got botted. Gold about to make new highs here. Silver very close. 6,000. Hold on. I wish. It's not right though. Unless they came in for the raffle, who knows? Anyway, again, I want to thank MyFundedFutures for being here and sponsoring and giving me the ability to host it. It was my idea. I was in Miami, and I said, Luke, we got to do a night session. He says, what are you, crazy? I'm like, no, because no, what do you think who's going to do it? I said, I am. He goes, you're on. Boom. It's not real, CJC. Come on. It's not real. Gold making new. Oh, what am I short gold here? I'm going to short some more. Short some more here. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Boom. And 7,000 can't be. I wish it was 7,000. It should be 7,000. It should be. I'm getting kabooshed. Come on, gold drop. $8,000. Hold on. Boom. 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 Wow. Just made $1,100 on gold. Wow. You see that? Woo-wee. Damn. You see that?
Yep.
See how I made that $1,100 on gold? Damn. On the big ones. I was short 13 big ones. All right. We had the fireworks. All right. If this silver, if you're short this silver, just look the cover below. I said, look to short the silver up to 92. What did I say? 82. What did I say on silver? I would just cover some shorts on silver. You made $4 on what? Like the stream, everybody. Oh, I think something bad is going to happen. I totally agree. I totally agree. Gold's going to get cabooshed. Anybody short the silver? Let's see if this gold and silver can drop here. Wow, 3,500. All right, just text me 914-500-7484. You'll get the 5-day free trial. Not a problem. Okay? What a short on the NASDAQ and S&Ps. You were making new highs. The MACDs on the 15, the 30, and the 60-minute time frames could not confirm. I think the market's going to get cabooshed the next 2 months. Okay? I really do. Now, what you do, Sabir, you go here and you make sure you have no orders in anything on the DOM. Okay? All right. Good job. I'm up, I think, about 1,800, 1,700 here. Just in and out, trading them, waiting for the right pattern. All right, we're going to be giving away in 8 minutes 10 free 50K core accounts, okay? Yes, from Europe, you're okay. I got people from Romania, from Australia, from Argentina, Costa Rica. It's all bots, Chart Monk. I'm in Jupiter, Florida, if anybody wants to come visit me. On the gold here, if you're short, look to cover between the 2480 and 2780. Rigi, just come and text me, 914-500-7484. I'm in Jupiter, Florida. You're in Germany? I have people from Germany. I have people from the UK, from Europe, from the UK. I have people from all over. Brazil. I know you're not a bot, Zill. How do you get in the giveaway? I think it's over. You have to Vietnam. That's awesome. Look at the gold drop. Kabooshed on the gold. You have to sign up. Then you have to go. Oh, my God. S&P and NASDAQ futures. Gold just got kabooshed. Silver. If you're short the silver above 84. Kaboosh, Lee. Scotland. Beautiful. FL Trader, if you're in West Palm, I'm in Jupiter Beach, Florida. Text me, 914-500-7484. Gold, down 5. Gold, down 5. S&Ps, kaboosh, down 4. NASDAQ, down over 25. Good job. Thank you, Lenny. Look at my man, Carlo. Look at him every day. God bless him. Look at his beautiful wife, Melina. Go off, awesome. Up 1,150. Bobster, the dude. Right, let's go, Dave. Dave, you should have killed it on that short on gold. The MACDs could not confirm on the 5-minute time frame, David. Gold got absolutely kabooshed. Well, just text me. We can meet that. Maybe we can meet this Saturday. I always go to West Palm. Melina, get in there. Look at that. Beautiful. 800. Beautiful. Look at it. I love when this happens to people. I really do. Unbelievable. All right. Gold down. Look at this. Gold down 6. Silver. You got to text me because I have a room full of people here all the time.
Steven.
Denny. Where's the fireworks? What happened?
They ended very early. I'm going to be honest. This year's fireworks were not the best. It's like they were done within 10 minutes, literally.
When I was at Disney, they went on from 9:30 to 10. From 10 to 10:30.
Last time I came, that's how they were too. But this time they ended at 10 o'clock, or not 10 o'clock.
Do you see how much money people made today? I wrote it down. 800, 2,000, 4,000, 3,000, 8,000, 12,000. There's no joke.
Dang. Look at everybody making money. That's what I'm talking about. Now they ended the fireworks early because they're supposed to have a parade going on, and it was supposed to start 5 minutes ago, but it did not. But you want to do the giveaways?
2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes.
And we want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday Season, good health and happiness to all of you and your families. Denny and I will be back. What, Monday, Denny? Get out of
Yes, sir. We will be back Monday.
And there'll be no My Funded Futures during the day, and no live stream at night. And we'll be back at the beginning. The 29th we'll be back, right?
Yep, 29th through I want to say the 4th. No, through the 29, 30, 31, 1, 2, through the 2nd.
Yeah, well, we're off on New Year's Day. But I want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. Enjoy your family. Enjoy every second that we're here. Well, you just can't pop in. You got to text me. 914-500-7484. Then we got botted again. 8,000. Denny, can you hear me?
I see that. It says we had 5,000 concurrent viewers.
Well, it got up to 8,200 at one point.
Yeah, someone botted us then.
We got botted. We got about 3,000 out. All right. So again, you guys, I wanted to really thank MyFundedFutures for this opportunity. We're going to be going strong into 2026. Hopefully we can have 8 to 10, 15,000 real people, not just bots, to take advantage of these moves. And you guys got to spread the word. Help us out here. Get more people on this channel at night. And give us a big I stream every day from 8:30 to 4 on my own YouTube. Okay. All right, Denny, let's do it. 10, baby, 10.
Let's do it. Let's spin this wheel. First winner is Pipster. Pipster, are you here?
Oh, Pipster's in the house.
Good evening, Stargazer. Due to unforeseen circumstances, this presentation of Disney Starlight has been delayed. Thank you for your understanding.
Uh-oh, something got delayed. Pipster, you in the house? Going once.
He's here, Steven. I just saw him type. Yeah, if anybody's wondering, I'm carrying around my laptop right now. Why? Because, I did not want to leave y'all hanging tonight. I did want to be able to tell y'all Merry Christmas, and I am sorry that the fireworks did not go as planned because I really did want y'all to see that. But I did want to also wish y'all all a very happy and Merry Christmas. And then the next winner is Willie Willie. Willie Willie, are you here? I wish I was giving away houses.
Where are you staying?
I didn't go yet.
You don't have a hotel yet?
No, my son took that. I
Willie, I see you.
It's 30 minutes.
Oh my God, there's a hotel right down the street for Hampton Inn for like $170.
All right.
He got it even cheaper.
Okay.
Forex Elite. Forex Elite. Here. Right, internet? Exactly.
Woo. Johnny boy, great job, Johnny boy.
I see you next.
Whew.
Futures trader, are you here?
Futures trader.
Hey, I see you, futures trader.
Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. You going long gold on the 5 minute? With the MACD negative there, be careful. It should be limited to the upside. And plus, you want the 15s to pull in here. The ADXs are rising, but the ADXs are at a plus 53 here. So let me just teach you this really quick. A plus 53 ADX right here, very high. Very high. When it starts turning down, look out, a caboose could be coming for gold. But okay, take a scalp long here.
Randy, I see that you're here. Sorry, Stephen, did you off?
No, it's okay.
Guys, meeting Stephen, I'm going to be honest, it was one of the best experiences I ever could have had. It was so awesome. ZQN, are you here? And I am going to be trying to make more trips down here to hopefully one day come to a studio as well.
Are you coming Wednesday?
No, we're actually leaving tomorrow because my wife's family decided they wanted to do Christmas on Christmas Eve.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, so because apparently that's when they do all theirs.
The boss spoke.
Yeah, she spoke. I wanted to come down there Wednesday.
Jonathan, you see how we were taking scalps? Look at this. 1,200 on 5 accounts. Good night. YOLO, though. Good job.
ZQN, I see you there.
High.
J Boogie, are you here?
J Boogie. I was short this silver 70.02 up to like 16, 18. I was short this silver.
J Boogie, I see you here.
Biggie. Can't you see? Sometimes the words just hypnotize me. Wow, I'm exhausted.
All right, we got 3 more winners to pick. Rocky Mount Trader.
Oh my God, Rocky Mountain hit the jackpot. Look at Rocky Man.
About
300. Look at this. 1,200
talk about Merry Christmas.
on 5, 600 on 3. Amazing night. Great job, everybody. I'm so proud of all of you. See, this is what I like. Not talking about raffles or giveaways or nonsense or BS, right? Gold just rallied about 5 just now, Jonathan. Good job, Jonathan.
Rocky Mountain, I see it here. Got 2 more to go. Sud Harrison, are you here?
Look at my brother Brinks. My brother Brinks. God bless you, Brinks. Great job, my brother. Go in there, baby. Get in there.
Good evening, stargazers. We're delighted to invite you on tonight's
I'm gonna mute myself.
Journey Through the Stars.
How many we got left?
I only got 2 more to do. Well, Sud Harrison just said he's here, so I got 1 more to do.
Jonathan, great job, Jonathan. Kaboom, Dave, but I missed it. Terrible. Okay, he said he's here.
Yep, I saw he's here, Steven. I got
all right, one more. And that we'll see you all in a week.
Yeah, they're about to start doing a parade, so it's about to get loud. JK Futures.
Good job, Jundies. All right. Who? Futures? What is it?
All right, JK. I see that you're here. All right, everyone. That is it for the giveaways tonight. I do want to wish you all a very, very happy and Merry Christmas, and I cannot wait to see y'all after the holidays.
And I want to wish everybody at MyFundedFutures a happy holiday, a Merry Christmas to Matt, to Luke, to Magnus, to Ash, to Denny, to Ashley. And I want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas, a happy holiday. Enjoy your family and friends. God bless you. And remember, as always, God bless the United States of America. Good night, Denny. Merry Christmas, my brother. Enjoy.
Good night, Steven. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle moves, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.